Hey everybody, it's Mr. Cognetti from Citizenship Academy, and welcome back to math class. Today we are going to be doing Module 4, lesson number 12. And we're going to continue talking with our tens and ones and our place values. So that's why I have a place value chart drawn up here. We're going to be using this today. And I have plenty of room to draw number sentences and pictures. So make sure you guys have plenty of space on whatever it is you are writing on. And why don't you go ahead and draw a tens chart, or a place value chart, I'm sorry. And remember, you don't have to draw the big square. It can be just the T, with the T for tens and O for ones, okay? That's a lot quicker, seeing how I just drew that now, all right? So go ahead and get that set up. You can pause the video. I'm going to keep moving on. So like I said, today we're going to be working on adding tens to double-digit numbers, okay? So that means a number bigger than 9. And we're going to be adding tens to it, maybe 1 10 and possibly 2 tens, right? So I want to start out with working on adding 10 to the number 13. So go ahead and write 13 plus 10 on your piece of paper or your whiteboard. Now, once that is written down, I want to draw a picture. This is one of those methods we are starting with pictures. So I'm going to start with the first number. Okay, if you ever get confused and go, well, I don't know which number to start with the first one. Work our way left. So let's draw 13 with our quick 10 drawings. How many tens do we have in the number 13? I see a 1. So simple as that, I'm going to draw 1 10. Okay, remember, this isn't a 1. This is a 10 stick for our drawings. Then I have 3 ones, so I'm going to draw my ones as circles. And I'm going to draw 3 of them. Go ahead and make sure your picture looks like that. All right. So I have my 13 drawn in picture form. Now I move over to my plus sign. I'm going to just bring that down. Now I see my next number, and I need to show that in picture form. So let's look. How many tens do we have? 1 10. So we draw 1 10. Do I have any ones? I have 0 ones, so I don't need to draw any. Because the second I draw a 1, that means I have 1 1. But I have 0. So then we just bring down our equal sign. Okay? But we are not done. What we need to do is take this picture and this picture, smush them together to make one big picture. So everything in this circle we need to count up together. We're going to start with the tens. Okay, we're going to start with the tens and work this way towards the ones. Let's count our 10 sticks. Ready? We have 1 right here, and that's our second one. So 1, 2. Okay, I'm not going to write 2. I'm just going to draw 2 10 sticks. Let me do this in black. There we go. 1 10 stick, 2 10 sticks. I'm making it nice and big so we can see it. So there we go. Have our 2 10s. 1 2, 1 2. Awesome. Let's count our ones now. 1 2 3. No, we just have 3. Let's draw the 3. 1 2 3. All right. Are we done? Nope, we're not done. We need to take this picture and turn it back into a number. So we're going to do that right here. We're going to start with the tens or ones. Which one? The tens, then go to the ones. We're going to start with the tens. So we have 1 2 tens. Now we're converting it back to a number, so simple as this, I just write the number 2. There are 2 tens. Now we're going to count our ones and write in our ones place. 1 2 3. We come up there, and we write 3. What's our answer? 13 plus 10 equals 23. Come over here to our place value chart. If I have the number 13 in here, 1 10, 3 ones, I need to add 10 to it. All right, well, let's add our tens together. I'll make these look the same. 1 plus 1. That's simple. That equals 2. So this becomes a 2. And then add our ones together. 3 plus 0. That's also pretty simple. We all know how to do that. If we have 3 cookies and we eat 0 of them, we still have 3 cookies. So I don't have to add anything to it. There's our answer, 23. Awesome, nice job. Let's do another one together. But this time, we're going to add 2 tens, not just 1 10. 1 10's too easy. We got to try something a little harder. So what I want us to write, our number sentence is going to be 16 plus 20. So that's what I want you guys to write. 16 plus 20. And then go ahead and write 16 over here in your place value chart. Okay, pause the video until you have this set up. Otherwise, I'd walk through it, but I'm running out of time on my filming thing. I'm only allowed 15 minutes before this thing shuts off on me. So, go ahead and take the time you guys need. I'm going to keep going. What do we do first? How do we solve this? What's our first step? Think about it. It's our first step in a lot of different methods. We're going to draw a picture. So let's start on the left side and work right. All right, so we're going to start with our first number in our number sentence, which is 16. And we're going to start with the left side of 16, which is our tens place. How many tens are in 16? 1. Let's draw it. 1 10. That's simple. A 10 is a long line, and there's only one of them, so we draw one long line. Now we're moving over to our ones. How many ones are there in 16? 6. So ones are drawn as circles, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I like to leave this space here so I can see a group of 5 and 1, which makes 6. So there's my 16. It's drawn directly under my number 16. Now I can bring my plus sign down and put it right there. I'm going to get rid of this though so it's not confusing. Now my next thing in my number sentence is our number 20. How many tens do we have in the number 20? We have 2. Let's draw 2. 1, 2. Simple as that. 2 tens, 2 10 sticks. Let's go to our ones. How many ones do I have? I have 0. Do I need to draw anything? Nope, I can't. It says I have 0 ones, so I can't draw any ones. Then we bring our equals sign down. And now we need to figure out our answer in picture form. So, I basically want to add all these shapes up together. So we're going to start with our tens picture, or our 10 sticks. Let's count our 10 sticks. Count all of our 10 sticks and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3. I counted 3 10 sticks, so like I said, I want to make this picture one big picture, so we're going to draw 1, 2, 3 10 sticks. Awesome job. And since we're going from left to right, we go from tens to ones. Oopsies. We're going to count our ones now. All right, let's start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do we have any over here? Nope, so just 6. 6 ones plus 0 ones is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Are we done? We just finished our picture. We're done drawing the picture, but we're not done drawing or solving the problem. We need to convert this back into number form. Are we going to start with our tens or ones? We're going to start with our tens. It's on the left side. Let's start with that. So let's count our tens. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tens, so I write the number 3. I don't have to change it to 30 or anything, just 3. Now I'll count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I write just 6. And there's our answer. What number is that? 36. Let's come back over to our place value chart now. We'll do it this way just to double check our work. Here's 16. I wanted to add 20. So we're going to start with the left side and work to our right. So let's start with our tens first. I have 1 10 plus 2 tens. Or 1 plus 2 is going to equal 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Did that wrong again. So we have 3 ones. when all the tens are added together. Now we need to add our ones together. We have 6 ones plus 0 ones. That's simple. That's going to stay at 6. And here's our answer, 36. Same as this answer over here. We got it right. Nice job. Alrighty. That is going to be the end for today. We just did 2 problems there. You will get more practice doing this on your Seesaw or Google form. And when you are doing that, I know my students, they're going to have to draw out these pictures on it. So we will get plenty of practice doing that. If you're just doing the Google form, I suggest having a piece of paper or whiteboard with you so you can draw these pictures out. Because I know these pictures are easy for me to answer the problems. I wouldn't want to put 16 in my head and count 20 more. I don't have enough fingers to do that, and 20 is a big number, so I probably would make a mistake. So I would suggest drawing out these pictures. It's very simple. You just count up all the different shapes involved in the picture. All right? Good job today. We were adding 10s and 20s onto already 2-digit numbers. So now we are getting to big numbers. You guys are doing very good with it. I'm very impressed. Keep up the good work, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace, everybody.